In this tutorial, we are going to use Google Gemini to see how good really it is to turn unripe mangoes into the ripe ones. So we have used Gemini for different things, but this time it's done for the mangoes. So here we have a bunch of mangoes. Some are fully ripe while others still have some green texture on their skin. It clearly shows that they are kind of unripe, which could affect the taste and overall the thing. So we want them perfectly ripe. So let's ask Google Gemini for advice. And what do we do with these unripened ones? So let's separate the unripe mangoes with the green skin. And now let's ask Gemini, what should we do? What do you see on the screen?
I'm seeing a large yellow fruit on screen. There are also some green patches on it. It's hard to tell for sure, but it might be a mango or a papaya. Would you like me to tell you more about it and how they are different?
You are right, it's a mango. But these seems to be, unripe. How can I make them ripe quickly, naturally?
A great way to ripen them quickly is by placing them in a brown paper bag or wrapping them in newspaper. This traps the natural gas that mangoes release, speeding up the process. You could also add an apple or a banana to the bag, which releases more ethylene. Would you like me to tell you how to check if they're ready to eat?
So as suggested by Gemini, we need to place the unripe mangoes inside a paper bag. Brown is preferred. And let's put them in and let's see what happens in the background.
To ripen a mango with green textures, place it inside a brown paper bag. Fold the top to trap the ethylene gas. Store at room temperature for 1 to 3 days. Now you have a perfectly ripe mango.
So after a couple of days I checked, they turned out beautifully ripe, and that's how we used Gemini to ripen mangoes. Thanks for watching.